Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix bidet mixer with a retractable chain, using GROHE Start as an example here. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. An important note before we get started, this installation also applies to another model with a retractable chain, but we're focusing on installing the mixer here, not the ceramic bidet. And one more thing, of course you should turn off the water before installation. So, let's get started. First, let's check what's in the box. Take a look at the enclosed installation manual. You can also use the QR code to find additional important information, as well as the installation video. To install your new mixer, all you need is a pair of pliers and this installation tool, or both a 13mm and 19mm spanner. Let's get started then. First, pass the chain through the chain hole from below. The chain is used to hold the counterweight on one side and the drain plug on the other. To fit the drain plug, you must guide this bracket through the holder on the plug and then bend it together. Next, you have to slide this black seal over the hoses so that no water can escape from between the tap and the bidet. You have to pay attention to the correct alignment here. The collar of the seal must point downwards, as this will later lock the mixer in the middle of the bidet's tap hole, ensuring that the tap hole is covered. Insert carefully, and then you're done. Now prepare the counter screw. There are small tabs in the rubber holder that prevent the half-moon seal from falling down again. This makes it easier to fit the mixer. Then slide the whole thing over the fastening bolt underneath the bidet, with the rubber holder facing upwards. Tighten it manually first, and then using the installation tool, until the tap no longer twists on the bidet. However, beware, it will come off if you tighten it too far. Next, it's the flexible connection hoses' turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the angle valves. The right-hand hose is always used for cold water and is connected to the right-hand angle valve. The left-hand hose is for hot water and goes to the left-hand angle valve. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops on the thread of the angle valve. Then tighten it firmly with the installation tool until the connection is secure. Make sure that the hoses do not become kinked or twisted. It's best to hold the hoses by hand or with a suitable tool when tightening them. Now slowly open the angle valves and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First turn the angle valves all the way to the left and then back again a half or quarter turn. The valves will then be easier to operate in the future. Finally, let some water run into the closed basin in order to check whether everything is tight. Done! That was easy, wasn't it?